Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be showing you something super fun, super quick, super easy, and super cute. These pencil keychains, filled with none other than Starcraft glitter, of course, are a really nice, really fun gift for the teachers in your life, teacher appreciation, or just a gift because you like pencils. I don't know. But I am going to show you how quick and easy these things are to put together. I think I did all 8 of these in 10 minutes. It literally takes no time at all, and they're super cute, super fun. I did put some tassels on there to match. Lots of different options. Really easy. I got these pencil tubes, which are actually lip gloss tubes. I got them from Amazon, which I will post a link to in the description. And all of my glitter came from 143 vinyl, as well as some of the tassels that I'm using and the keychain hardware, which I'll go over all of that with you before we get started on making these. So what I'm going to do is flip you down to my workstation and show you just how simple it is to make these super cute keychains. Okay, so I have everything here that you need to make these pencil keychains. So to start, I have my keychain blanks, which they're technically not keychains to start. They're lip gloss tubes. So they come with the lip gloss portion in there, which we'll take care of, and we'll get that out. So you need those. And of course you need your glitter. I'm using Starcraft glitter. I have a few different colors. And you're going to need polyacrylic for the inside, and you're going to need your hardware, so your keychain, your key rings, and you're going to need some jump rings and the screw top eyelet, I believe that's called. Maybe not sure. Some scissors, some pliers. I have some tassels to kind of decorate mine a little extra. And then I have my super glue. I have 2 kinds here. I'm just using the Gorilla super glue. This one has a brush. I like the brush better. And then E6000. You don't have to use either one of these. You can use whatever super glue you like. And then I have a drill, and I have my attachments here. So I'm going to end up using that smallest one. This is just a real generic set. I'm sure everyone has a drill at home. And I'm going to be using this 1/16 size, so I'm going to go ahead and take that out and put that in my drill and get it ready. You can probably push those eyelets into the top of this eraser part without this, but this makes it a little easier. It's not hard to get through at all. So I'm going to move some of this stuff, and we will take apart one of these pencils and get started. Around here. So the first part that I have to do is I have to get rid of that lip gloss thing. And it's not real hard plastic, so I just cut it with a pair of scissors. I just take my scissors and go flush with the cap there and just kind of twist, and it'll come right off. You can probably get it out of the cap. I haven't figured out how to do that yet, so I just cut it. So now you have your 2 pieces, and it's ready to go. So the first thing I'm going to do is work with my polyacrylic so it has a minute to dry before I put the glitter in. So the set of lip gloss tubes that I got came with these droppers, so that's what I'm using to put the polyacrylic in. And I just want to add enough in there that I can twist it around, and it's going to get a nice even coverage on the inside. So this process is very, very, very similar to making the glitter ornaments around Christmas. So I fill it up just a bit and then just kind of move it around in there until every part of it is covered. It doesn't go down into the tip of the pencil. So I'm just going to keep twisting here, get a good coverage on this part. Doesn't make too much of a difference because that's covered by the cap anyway. I'm just keep twisting, let the glue run out a little bit, or the polyacrylic run out a little bit. Tap it, and then I'm just going to let this sit upside down and let it drain out just a little bit more. So we're going to move that over there. We're done with that now. and we're going to work on this cap. So the eraser part of it comes off just like this, and this is where you need to add that little eyelet piece. So I'm going to grab one out here, and I'm just going to take my drill, and I'm just going to poke a hole just right in the middle. Just like that. So real easy. Like I said, you could probably do that with a pair of pliers and this eyelet. It's pretty soft, so it'll probably go in there fairly easy. And then you just want to twist this in so that eyelet is threaded and is pointed on the end. So you just want to twist that in. It won't go all the way because of this cap here. You could probably drill a hole in there to make that go, but what I do is I just push it up, get rid of this piece here, push it all the way down into where it needs to go so it's flush. You can see that the eraser part is into the gold part, and that's where my eyelet's going to sit. So it is sticking out just a little bit. If I can get it to focus, that would be extra cool. I'll do it like that. So you can see that the eyelet sticks out a bit. There we go. And that's okay because we're going to glue it in there. So I'm going to take this piece off again. And this is where I'm going to use my Gorilla Glue with the brush, because I think it's a little easier to get that cap nice and glued up there. So I'm just going to take my brush with the glue and I'm going to go around the inside here so it gets a nice even coverage on the part that needs to attach back on. So I'm going to do just like that, and then I'm going to put this cap on. This Gorilla Glue that has the brush also has the squeeze nozzle, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that and just put a drop in here just to go on that eyelet to kind of seal that in. So that is filled with glue. Just follow the instructions on your glue. I know with like the E6000 it takes a little longer to dry. So I'm just going to push this back on. That's good to go. So I'm going to set that aside. That's ready. And now I'm going to put some of the glitter in the pencil. So this has been sitting here draining a little bit. Wipe that off. So I'm going to use the Banana Daiquiri. This is one of the new StarCraft glitters, and it's the perfect yellow for a pencil. I think it's kind of bright, so it's probably hard to see, but it is. It's a banana yellow, and it's really pretty. So I'm just going to put some in a little medicine cup here. Move this to the side. And I'm just going to sprinkle it in there. So you can use a funnel. I just use these little cups because I can bend them. So you're just going to put it in there. This doesn't stay full of glitter. We're just going to stick the glitter to the side. So the glitter's in there, and I'm just going to shake out the extra. And because the polyacrylic acts like a glue, then you have a fully covered pencil. So you can see that it is fully covered in the yellow glitter, just like that. So I'm going to put this back in here. And then we're going to go back to the glue, and we're going to glue around this part here so that this stays on. So it's not full of glitter, and if it opens, it's not going to leak out or anything like that, but you still don't want it to come apart. So I'm going to go back to that Gorilla Glue with the brush. I'm going to take it and just brush some around here, not too much so it's not oozing out of the side. Gorilla Glue sets up pretty quick, so that shouldn't be a problem. I'm just going to take this, twist it back on, make sure it's nice and tight, and then your glue is going to harden in there and you have your pencil. So it's super easy, super quick, and really fun. The only thing I haven't tried with these is chunky glitter, which I think I'm going to. I don't know how it'll work. I know with chunky glitter in the ornaments, sometimes it's hard to get a good coverage, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to see if it's going to work. So now we have to attach our keychain hardware to this. So I am going to just grab a key ring here. There's a bunch of different kinds. I think I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to grab a few jump rings out of this container. So then you just want to take your pliers and open your jump ring. Feed it through that eyelet and then feed it through here. And then just push it back closed. And make sure this one's really tight too so we don't lose the other one. Just like that. And then I'm going to grab a tassel. I think we'll go with yellow because it looks pretty good together. Open this. Feed it through there. And I'm going to put my tassel up here for this one. Squeeze it back together. And that's it. Like that took all of, what, 5 minutes? 10 minutes maybe? And that's it. So you have your super cute pencil keychain. And this is perfect for teacher appreciation, which is coming up pretty quick here. I think it's in like a week. I don't know. So yeah, you can do them with any colored glitter. I bet you could probably fill them with like the glycerin mix so the glitter moves in there with them. That would be cool. But it's really simple and really quick. I have not put any decals on these yet, but a vinyl decal would work on there. These flat surfaces here are fairly good size, so you should be able to get a decal on there with no problem. And that's it. Super simple, super easy. I got these pencil blanks from Amazon. They are pencil lip gloss tubes. I think it came in a pack of 12 or something like that. And they're not very expensive either. So I think super easy, really, really quick gift for teacher appreciation this year. But with that being said, I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful, and I hope you create all of your super glitter pencils and post them so we can see. And as always, thanks for watching.